Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM training course, and the topic for today will be the predefined machining cycles. This is basically what we've seen previously for the user machining cycles, but this time it is an opportunity to explain that we have already embedded machining cycles for specific equipments. So I'm using the same drawing that you've seen already a couple of times. And for example, in terms of milling, we have these, in terms of drilling, we have this function here that has a lot of different machines, and these are cycles specifically for these brands. So for example, a FANUC. So what you do, and I don't know deeply these machine cycles, so I'm not sure if everything it is correct or not, probably not. You can choose one path, so this one, for example. You can choose one tool, so these are very straightforward parameters. And then when we reach these cycle parameters, in this particular case for this model of machine, you have a lot of different machine cycles, each one for a specific case and with specific parameters. Probably these values are correct, I'm not sure. Pull out one or the other and simply calculate it, and something was done, which I'm not sure if it is okay or not, but we can try and see what it does. Okay, does not go on the hole, but it makes the movement. Anyway, the idea here is not having a perfect cycle, because again, I don't know exactly what is the configuration, and I'm grabbing models that are not prepared for this specific operation. But to understand that we have these very specific machining cycles that are adapted for a specific machine, and we should have these in consideration. So this is, for your understanding, this was built for different customers along the years that had some relevance inside T-Flex with some licenses, and these customers asked for these embedded cycles instead of having their own configuration and work on the companies. So T-Flex went and make these functions already for the standard version of the software. So this is a complementary info regarding the cycles. I think this is not very important because some of these brands are not very spread out in the market, at least in the market that we work with. So much more important than these predefined machining cycles, it's the information and the functionalities regarding the user machining cycles that we've seen in some of the previous lessons. Anyway, for any questions that you still have about these predefined cycles, let us know, and we are here for help you in what you may need for support.